why did you choose to make a jumping robot?
I always thought it was cool of how frogs don't walk and they jump to move. And I wanted to recreate that using a robot, so that's why I made it.
What materials did you, what are the materials you needed to build your robot?
I used 3 servo motors, cardboard, Arduino Uno, popsicle sticks, a breadboard, and cardboard for this project.
What is your favorite part of your project?
Probably the jumping mechanism, because, yeah.
Where can robots like yours be used in real life?
It could be used for transporting stuff, like fast food and stuff like that. It could also be used, as like a security robot and stuff like that.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the podcast. I'm so excited because we have a young creator with us who has built something really fun and unique. A jumping robot. Yes, you heard that right. This robot uses servo motors, cardboard, popsicle sticks, and a lot of creativity to jump and move forward. So let's get started and learn all about this amazing jumping robot. So, can you start with telling us your name and what grade you're in?
Hi, my name is Vihashit and I'm in 7th grade.
Wonderful! Great to meet you, Vihashit. So now, tell us, what is the name of your project exactly?
The name of my project is called Jumping Robot.
That sounds exciting. So, why did you choose to make a jumping robot?
I always thought it was cool of how frogs don't walk and they jump to move. And I wanted to recreate that using a robot, so that's why I made it.
That's a fun reason. And does it all also look similar to a frog, maybe? No?
No, not really. It has 3 legs.
Not really. Okay, all right. So now let's talk about the build. What materials did you, what are the materials you needed to build your robot?
I used 3 servo motors, cardboard, Arduino Uno, popsicle sticks, a breadboard, and cardboard for this project.
Nice. Good selection of parts too. And which part of the robot was the hardest to make?
Probably the jumping mechanism, because it failed quite a lot of times and it fell onto the side.
So you handled that well, right? Ultimately, at the end? Yes.
Yeah.
So speaking of parts, what do the servo motors in a project do?
The servo motor, well, there's 3 servo motors in my project, 2 in the front of the project and 1 in the back. The 2 in the front push the robot forward, while the 1 in the back propels it upward, making it into a jumping motion.
Very cool. And because of that, how does your robot jumps exactly?
It uses the back popsicle stick or the servo motor in the back to propel it to go upwards.
Oh, that's a clever mechanism, I would say. So tell me, was it fun to build a robot?
Yes, it was
This
very
one?
fun.
And that's great to hear. Did anyone help you while making it?
My dad helped with the mechanism a little bit, but everything else I did.
Nice teamwork. And from all this, what did you learn? While making the jumping robot, what did you learn?
I learned that patience was key because a lot of times my robot wasn't working how I wanted it to. I quit and I tried making the jumping robot quite a lot of instances, but I just quit halfway through. So yeah.
I would say that's a very valuable lesson, really. Yeah. Now, how long did it take to finish your project exactly?
2 weekends or 4 days.
Wow, that's impressive. Very short term. And what was your favorite part? What is your favorite part of your project?
Probably the jumping mechanism, because yeah.
Of course, yeah, that's the main part, right? And that's awesome. And I'm a little curious now. Like, did your robot work the way you expected it to?
No, because when I first was trying to make the robot, I wanted it to jump, but I didn't think it was possible, so I just wanted it to move. But when I was writing the code, I realized that it was possible for it to jump. And that was a pleasant surprise for me.
Yeah, and that must have felt great, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and in real life, where can robots like yours be used in real life?
It could be used for transporting stuff, like fast food and stuff like that. It could also be used as like a security robot and stuff like that.
Yes, and interesting. Like that sounds interesting, and that's a great application, I would say. Now, lastly, do you want to make more robotic projects like in future, like just like this one?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, and that's exciting, and we'd love to see what you create next.
Hmm.
Yes, now we can call your parents. Welcome, Vihashit's mom, and it's lovely to invite you here. And we just have this one question for you. We would want to know that what was your role and contribution to Vihashit's project, and how do you feel about it?
Actually, I did not help his project. He did his own, and I bought equipments for his project. That's it.
Yeah. Hey, wow, that's wonderful, and it's lovely to see such great support behind his work. And thank you so much for sharing your experience. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure. Now, Vihashit, you can come back. Thank you so much for sharing your awesome jumping robot project with us today, Vihashit. And it was wonderful to hear how you built it and how it works and what you learned along the way. And projects like yours show how creativity and skills can come together to make something truly exciting. And we hope you keep exploring, building, and imagining new ideas.